Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing Boult Airbass Powerbuds. So here's the box. On the box, it's priced at 9,000 rupees, but you can get it for somewhere around 2,300 to 2,800 rupees. Price is fluctuating because of limited time offers. Now these earphones are available in two colors, Raven Black and Azura Blue, and we have the black color with us right now. Now let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box, and this is how the entire packaging looks like. On the front we have a quick preview of how the case and the earbuds looks like, and on the back side we have some of the highlighting features, which I'll come back to in a minute. Now let's open it up. First we have a small envelope, following that we have the earbuds case, and finally we have another smaller box with some accessories. Inside the envelope we get just some documentation and a warranty card. Next, inside the accessory box we get a USB Type-C charging cable and some extra ear tips. Now coming back to the case itself, this is how the earbuds case looks like. On the top it has the Boult logo and it says Boult Audio. On the front there's a groove to open the lid, and below that it has a USB Type-C port to charge the case and a USB Type-A port, using which we can use the case as a power bank. And these two ports are covered by a rubber flap for some dust and water protection. Besides that, all other sides are completely plain. Now let's open it up. Here are the earbuds, and they're not too small. Let me remove the plastic on the earbuds. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. At the top, there's just the logo, which also acts like a touch button. And right below that, it has a microphone on both earphones. On the other side, there's just the left and right marking, along with the charging pins. Now back to the case. It has just 3 LEDs for battery indication and charging pins. Now whenever we open the case, there is a beep sound, indicating that both earphones are in pairing mode. You can also hear a beep sound whenever you close the lid or when the earbuds are disconnected. Now to pair these earphones, you just need to open the lid. Then both the earphones pair to themselves, and then you can pair it with your phone. Once they enter pairing mode, you just need to turn on Bluetooth on your phone and search for Boult Audio Powerbuds. Just tap it to connect. Once you're connected, it says your powerbuds are connected successfully, and once you're disconnected, it says disconnected. It's just a voice prompt. Now as for the functions of this touch button, you can just tap it once to play or pause music. You can double tap it on the right side to play the next song. Double tap it on the left side to play the previous song. For calls, you can tap it once to answer or end calls, and tap and hold to reject the call. When you're on the home screen, you can also tap and hold on both earbuds to trigger Google Assistant. Now these are the basic specifications of these earphones. These earphones have 6mm driver size with Bluetooth 5.0 technology with a 20-meter transmission distance. The case itself has a 2000 mAh battery and weighs 97 grams. Each earbud weighs about 5 grams, and you can get up to 8 hours of playback time. And including the charging case, you can get a total of 120 hours of playback time, which is a lot. Now as for the review, I'll start off with the case. The build quality of this case is great, but it's heavy. But considering the 2200 mAh battery it packs, I guess it can't be avoided. It's not a regular case, you can also use it as a power bank, so it has its perks. It also has magnets on the lid and even for the earbuds, so whenever you open the lid and close it, it gives you a nice satisfying feeling. And whenever you place back the earbuds, they auto-align, so that's also a pretty nice feature. These smaller things might not matter a lot, but they add to the overall experience. As for the earbuds, they also have a pretty good build quality. It's pretty convenient to wear, they're pretty comfortable, and they won't fall off easily. For few people, it might be slightly bigger inside your ear. For that, you can change the ear tips. Now as for using this case as a power bank, you need to first open the lid to start charging your device. Otherwise, if you just connect the cable, it won't work. You just need to open the lid and close it, and the charging will start. Once again, a pretty nice feature. Now as for audio quality, it's amazing. These earphones sound really good, and even smaller details are pretty audible. Even at high volumes, there is minimal to no distortion, and the audio is clearly audible even below 30% volume, along with the details. Bass is pretty good and you can feel it, and at higher volumes, it feels great. Overall, it's not too punchy or too much, it's just feel good level, and that's really nice. There's no active noise cancellation with these earphones, but the passive noise cancellation works pretty well, and most of the ambient noise is blocked off. As for call quality, I say it is pretty decent. In busy environments, there's a lot of noise, but in a silent room, in a peaceful condition, you can make and receive calls without any issues. As for battery life, according to the stats, earphones can run up to 8 hours, and including the charging case, you can use them continuously for up to 120 hours. Personally, I didn't use them that long, but these earphones ran more than 6 hours without any issues on a single go. So overall, battery life is pretty good. So guys, this is the Boult Airbass Powerbuds. For a price of about 2,500 rupees, it's a pretty good product if you're looking for great audio and long battery life. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to know more about this product, there's a link for that in the description. Do check it out. And if you're planning to buy this product, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.